All right, guys, sometimes the video conks off in the middle rather than starting all over and erasing everything. I'm just going to pick it up. So some lessons you'll have 2 of me, 3 of me. Just grab the next video, and here we go. All right, we just finished this problem, 150. The comma means 1,000. 234, you read it like this, 150,234. Example number 3. Now we're going to compare these numbers. We got 23,000. Practice reading these with me. 23,465 compared to 23,654. Now remember, we always start with the biggest number when we're comparing numbers. This is 23,000 and this is 23,000, so that doesn't help us at all. Go to this one and that's got 400. I like to say $400 in my pocket. Or would you prefer $600 in your pocket? So that's where the numbers were different, so that's where our comparison starts. 654 is more than 465. Therefore, 465 is less than. So we point to the smaller number, and we eat up the bigger number. Read it with me how it sounds. 23,465 is less than 23,654. Example number 4. Now you got to kind of pay attention here because we're going to talk about some numbers in this one about New York. 3 of the longest underwater tunnels in North America are in New York City. The Brooklyn Battery Tunnel is 9,000. I'm going to put Brooklyn Battery 9,000, 117 feet. The Lincoln Tunnel, go LT for Lincoln Tunnel, is 8,216 feet. And the Holland Tunnel, HT, Holland Tunnel, is 8,556 feet long. Now we got the numbers, we got the tunnels, and here comes our question. The question says, write the names of the lengths of these tunnels in order from the shortest to the longest. So let's start in the thousands because that's the biggest one number. 889. So we're tied between the Lincoln Tunnel and the Holland Tunnel. So let's go to the hundreds. 200 versus 500. Well, the Lincoln Tunnel is obviously the shortest. So in our answer key, let's go Lincoln Tunnel, and let's write its length, 8,216. And then the second place, comma, is the Holland Tunnel, 8,000, 556. So we took care of both of our 8,000s. Now we're on to the only one left. Is the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel at 9,117 feet long. All right, guys, now we finally get to our ordinal numbers. If you turn your page to example number 5, we got Tom. Tom's going to the movies. Tom is in the 4th person in line of 10 people waiting for a movie. How many people are in front of Tom and how many people were behind Tom? Now, on this one, you guys, I want you to write them out. Now, you don't have to get fancy stick people, okay? These are people in my mind. All right, now I know I can put little legs and arms and everything on those people, but I don't have time for all that. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't need smiley faces, but if you like smiley faces, boom, there's Tom. He's in 4th place. He wants to know how many people are in front of him. So count them with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 people are in front of him. Well, how many people would be after him now? Now, some people are saying, well, 7. No. Just because there's 10 minus the 3 doesn't mean it's 7 because he is the 4th guy. So count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 after him. 6 people are behind him in line. And he's the 4th person in line. All right, guys. You guys are in the last box here. Let's do some example problems. I'm going to get mine at the top of the board here so you can see maybe a little bit better. A says we want to write these in words. 3, 6, 4, 2, 0. Come on, Saxon. You're always trying to trick us. Don't trick us. Let's stomp it out. 1, 2, 3, comma. Now remember that comma means 1,000. Now we can chunk it. Say it with me. 36,420. hyphen 6,000. Oops, that's not how you write it. That's a number. 420. Now it gets kind of long, and on those you can use your C box. So first thing we do is we put our comma there, then we chunk it, we say it out loud, 36,420. Notice there's no ands in there, 36,420. Now I forgot one thing. If we have a comma in the number, we got a comma in the words. If we have a comma in the words, we have a comma in the number. So that should help us tell us where those chunks are. All right, skip to D now. That was A. We're on to D. D says, use these digits to write it. I'll read it twice. Remember, I like to read things twice to help myself. 63,117. 63,117. Let's take comma 117. Second chunk. Notice my comma was where my comma was. Comma in the words, comma in the numbers. All right, guys, class, stay tuned for the third video to get some help on your assignment.